आज मैं बनाने जा रही हूँ एक मास्क जो कि बना होगा कम्प्लीटली मेकअप से। नॉट अ रियल मास्क बट अ मेकअप मास्क। एंड इसको मैं पेयर करने वाली हूँ एक साड़ी के साथ सो दैट जो ये लुक है वो ट्रेडिशनल बट अ लिटिल मिस्टीरियस निकल कर आए। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और अगर आप मुझे जानते हैं तो आप ये भी जानते हैं कि मुझे सिर्फ
मेकअप करना ही नहीं बल्कि एक पूरा कैरेक्टर क्रिएट करना
बहुत पसंद है। आज का ये आइडिया भी कुछ ऐसे ही आया। आई वॉन्टेड टू मिक्स द इंडियन ब्यूटी विद द मास्क इल्यूजन। एक अच्छा लुक बनाने के लिए एक क्लीन कैनवस का होना बहुत जरूरी है। अभी मैंने बेस में कुछ भी नहीं किया है। आई जस्ट कलर करेक्टेड एंड हाइडेड माई आईब्रोज। अब वी आर गोइंग टू मेक अ रफ शेप ऑफ अवर मास्क, thinking of doing a golden mask with the black detailing into it. So I'm gonna make a light pearly color. I'm gonna take some white and some yellow, mix them, that I was talking about. Just make an outline of the shape. These are the inspiration that I had. I had them from Pinterest. Just gonna randomly draw the intended shape. I wanna draw like that, the shape, curvy shape. Are they matching? Okay, I think they're good. Just filling this whole mask in. I should use the kabuki brush. Yeah, I think this kind of brush will make it easier. Wait. I forgot to draw the eye hole for the mask. I think that much of space is enough for eyes. The area is small, so I'll have to go back in with a smaller brush. It was giving me details and also coverage. So I think I should have to use this only. ये हो चुका है हमारा मास्क का शेप रेडी। आई थिंक इट इज सिमेट्रिकल है। इसे गोल्डन बनाने की, नाउ इट इज येलो, आई वांट मेक इट गोल्डन। सो आई एम टेकिंग अ गोल्डन पिगमेंट and I'm gonna apply it on top of this type of packing brush I'm using. Loose pigment मैं यहाँ पे use कर रही हूँ. So you wanna see the first, see that? Look at this beauty. It is looking beautiful right now. It is incomplete. अभी ये पूरी तरह mask जैसा नहीं लग रहा है. But when we add a little details into it, it is going to look like mask. I promise you that. And अभी फिलहाल तो I think I should do the base makeup and be back. अब बेस मेकअप है वो भी हो चुका है एंड अब बारी है हमारे आई मेकअप की. आई मेकअप शुड बी रियली pop out of it. So I'm really not sure what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do something. That's for sure. I don't wanna add golden to the eye. I wanna keep the eye really work with black. Just intensifying the outer corner a little bit. Now intensifying it even more with the black eyeshadow. Gonna take a little bit of it and apply it in the outer corner. I'm gonna cut the crease. And I'm gonna not cut it till the end. I'm just gonna do a half cut crease kind of situation. And now I'm gonna take the blending brush that I used and just blend things out. Now I'm gonna take the lightest shade that is available on the palette and just this is very soft white. glittery shade. I thought I'll do a matte eye, but you know, plans changed. Time to add some details into this look, and इसके लिए I'm gonna use this black gel liner. Firstly, I'm gonna just draw a eyeliner. So eyeliner done. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a smudging brush and I'm just gonna just gonna trying to smudge this out. It is not looking that good. So I'm just gonna go with the I'm gonna outline the whole mask first. The mask is here, but I think there is a little, I need something more into the mask. Didn't have the black stones, but I found these little black color beads. So I'm gonna add them into this, and I think this will elevate the whole look. I'm gonna take some black into this eyeshadow brush and just gonna blend it inside the mask to give it a, kind of ombre effect. I think it is looking good. Just need to be careful with the blending. Blending needs to be really good for this. So this is the mask. Found something that we can use. See that? So I think this is the mask, and I think the stone elevated the look a lot. And now let me do some final touches and be back. This is my final look, and wow, I think I love it. The mask that I created for myself, and I think I'm in love with this mask. So yeah, makeup can make you do really good things, really, artistic things. So yeah, so this is the final look for today. And tell me in the comment, what do you think? Would you wear such a, makeup art se create kiya hua mask? Would you wear it? So yeah, do let me know in the comment section and see you in the next video. Bye.